दो सबसे कॉमन क्वेरीज दैट आई गेट व्हेन आई टेल पीपल दैट आई प्रैक्टिस एस्ट्रोलॉजी इज फर्स्ट वन दैट जो न्यूज़पेपर्स में, डेलीज में और पब्लिकेशंस में हॉरोस्कोप आता है वो कितना एक्यूरेट होता है. एंड सेकंड वन दैट दे नो समबडी जो एक पर्टिकुलर ज़ोडिएक साइन में है बट ही और शी इज नॉट एग्जिबिटिंग द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स व्हिच आर एसोसिएटेड विद दैट ज़ोडिएक साइन. जैसे कि मान लीजिए आप किसी लियो को जानते हैं and you would expect that he would exhibit or she would exhibit characteristics of confidence, regalness, show off, leadership, all these qualities, but ऐसा नहीं है. So क्या astrology गलत है? So the attempt over here is that by end of this session I would expect you to answer both these questions on your own, and we will understand all the nuances with our youth icon, none other than Virat Kohli. I am Monica Sharma and let's get started. So this journey begins from the time when आप अपनी मम्मा के womb से बाहर आए and you took your first breath, rather your first cry. Just imagine at that exact particular point of time, there's a big camera and somebody took the snapshot of the sky with all the celestial bodies and the planetary alignments, and this snapshot or this picture is called your birth chart or your Lagna chart or D1 chart. And this chart is as unique as your thumbprint. There are no two individuals who have exactly the same birth chart. So imagine how unique you are. आप जैसा कोई नहीं, literally and figuratively. So that's a reason enough to celebrate yourself, right? Now ये snapshot को code करने के लिए there are different ways. This is what our Western chart looks like. It's circular in shape and it has 12 zodiacs, obviously. And this is what a South Indian chart looks like. In South Indian chart, you would see that the zodiac signs are fixed. It starts with Aries, number 1, Aries, and starts in clockwise direction and ends in Pisces over here. This is what a North Indian chart looks like, and in our videos we will stick to the North Indian style chart. And if you remember in our first video I had requested you all to dig out those horoscopes जो आपके मंदिर के ड्रॉर में पड़े हैं. I am hoping that you have your horoscope handy with you, and if you don't have, then we have Virat Kohli's chart to refer to. So if you have your own chart, there's nothing like it. You would see that in our charts we have diamond shape over here जिसके ऊपर 9 लिखा हुआ है. This is always the first house. It's a tacit understanding. Usually जो number आपके chart के ऊपर लिखा हुआ है, that is the Rashi number, that is the zodiac sign number, not your house number. So it's given कि जो ये first जहाँ पे 9 लिखा है, that is always the first house. And then in anti-clockwise direction we have the second house जहाँ पे 10 लिखा हुआ है. And then we have the third house जहाँ पे 11 लिखा हुआ है. Then we have the fourth house जहाँ पे 12 लिखा हुआ है. And again the zodiac ends at 12 and then it begins with 1. So यहाँ 1 and it ends again in 8 जहाँ पे 12th house है. It's very simple, कुछ ज्यादा नहीं है. There are 12 houses, there is 12 zodiacs, उन्हीं के permutation combination है. These houses remain fixed and वो राशि चार्ट के ऊपर नहीं लिखा होता है, but जो उनके ऊपर लिखा होता है वो आपका zodiac sign होता है. So as you can see from this chart also, in the 12th house we have which sign? Hope you can understand that now. We have 8 written over there. It's Scorpio. So now let's talk about the planets. ग्रहों के बारे में बात करते हैं. There are 9 planets in Vedic astrology: Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. And there are 2 shadow planets: Rahu and Ketu, the north node of Moon and the south node of Moon. I know Sun and Moon are not planets, but in our Vedic astrology, they are considered planets. And why? I will explain in my later videos. So as of now, let's take it at face value. There are 7 actual planets and there are 2 shadow planets. Rahu and Ketu are like the head of the demon and the body of the demon. So there's a very interesting story in there, which I'll park for the later videos. And so there are 9 planets, and as you can see in your chart or in Virat Kohli's chart, all these planets are placed in different houses in different zodiac signs. अपने चार्ट में देखिए आप कि शनि कहाँ पे है. Were you able to locate it? I don't know, but in Virat Kohli's chart, Shani Dev is right in the first house. I hope you can see that. And I hope you can see that Mars is in the 4th house and Moon is in the 10th house in 6th number zodiac sign, which is Virgo. अब ये planets जो है different houses में हो सकते हैं, different signs में हो सकते हैं. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं इस chart में Moon and Venus, they are conjunct, they're together, they're sharing a house, the 10th house. So they're conjunct in 10th house. Similarly, you can see Sun and Mercury are conjunct in the 11th house. So they're sharing the 11th house together. So these are called conjunctions. So इनके बारे में भी बहुत डिटेल में बात करेंगे later videos में. So this is how, you know, different planets, different houses में different zodiac signs के अंदर हो सकते हैं. And as you can see, since Moon in this chart is in 10th house and is in Virgo, तो जो विराट कोहली का जो मून साइन और जिसे हम वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी में राशि कहते हैं, that is Virgo या कन्या. But since he is born on 5th of November, his sun sign, which is the Western astrological concept, is Scorpio. So you see the difference between the two. In our Vedic astrology, we give the utmost importance to the moon sign, which is the karaka of mind, whereas sun, which is the karaka of the soul, is given more importance in the Western astrology. Hence, the difference arises here. And there's other difference also, because in Vedic astrology we follow the sidereal system of timings. I hope इससे आपको थोड़ा तो idea लगा होगा कि why sun signs, that Western dailies are not matching with us, because you know, obviously there's so many innumerable aspects that are captured in your horoscope which cannot be captured over there. The second thing that why your friend is not exhibiting the traits is because his moon sign, his sun sign, his ascendant, his planetary placement can be very different, and hence he is not exhibiting any of those signs. In case you like the video and you want to take this journey with me, I would request you to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you very soon in another informative video, and we'll learn how to read a horoscope in detail in upcoming videos. I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.